Good morning, happy Saturday. Hope everyone's doing well this weekend. We are in the process of getting all of our new spring pieces out and listed. And we were noticing we have a fun little color story going on, so we just wanted to share that with you. These pieces are all new. Some are listed, some are going to be listed a little bit later on. But they're all new for spring, and yeah, we're excited to share them. Go ahead and show you some of them. So we have this really fun little packable Cole Haan windbreaker. This is still on their website, retailing for $200. This is an anther piece made, nice long tunic, really lightweight, easy to wear. This is a House of Harlow, cute little floral dress that ties in the back. Very fun piece. This is 100% linen skirt from J. Crew, new with tags. This is a vintage Givenchy sport top that we just couldn't pass up. We love the color. It's lightweight. There is a logo detail on it. I'm sorry, right there. And this is actually the front of it right there. So very vintage and fun. We have a nation knit top, long sleeve, really pretty rose color, puff detail. We have a fun Free People blouse, lace detail or crochet detail there on the back. We have a Pilcrow piece from Anthro, really easy pullover top. We have a new with tags Derek Lamb piece. It's 100% linen, ties in the front. There's the back. We have another new with tags. This is a Free People one piece, so only available at the Anthro stores. Then we have another Free People. This is We the Free, really cute little top with blouse detail. We have another 100% linen. This is from the Linen Studio, I think is the brand. Really cute little dress with pockets and bow in the back. Great color. This is another new with tags piece by made for Anthro. Really pretty drape back to it. Again, new with tags. And then we have this really fun 100% cotton chunky cardigan from Sundance. So yeah, this is just some of the pieces, newer pieces that we're adding in. So you know, feel free to visit our Poshmark closet. The link is in our bio, and we hope to see you soon. Check us out on Poshmark. We will be doing some more live sales, so you'll be able to see some stuff in person and buy in person through the app. So thank you guys so much for taking a look, and we'll chat with you later. Bye.